Hello, I'm Maggie Miller here with Lisa Citron, the Global VP of Channel Sales for F5, so welcome.
Thank you, Maggie. How are you?
I'm doing great.
Good.
So we're here to talk a little bit about this newly announced Unity Plus promotion around SSLO orchestration. So tell us all about it.
Absolutely. We have a great opportunity for our partners to help their customers solve key problems that they have around operational efficiency and create some real good ROI in the process. So we're excited about this opportunity for it's a back-end rebate, and it's available for partners of ours who are also Cisco and Palo Alto partners.
So what is the business value for our channel partners' customers?
Absolutely. So one of the chief things that our customers are struggling with these days is visibility into encrypted traffic and how they solve for that in the devices that they thought in their security chain. And so SSL Orchestrator really provides some value to things like a Palo Alto firewall or Cisco Firepower, and it makes that device a lot more efficient by taking that SSLO decrypt and putting it on us. So it's a great opportunity to put something into it that makes those other products better in the process.
Wow.
And honestly creates a lot of value and security for the customer.
So how can people learn more, especially our partners, learn more about this incentive?
Absolutely. We have an awesome network of channel account managers in the field, and if you are interested, you should reach out to your channel account manager and ask them for more information. See if you qualify. It would be a great opportunity for you to create value for your end user.
Great, and of course a great incentive for our partners who we know we want to grow with.
Absolutely. I think this is a key area to just show that we're investing in our partners as well.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for your time.
You got it. Absolutely. Thank you.